How long would you expect your kitchen blender to last? 10 years? 5 years? 1 year? And what happens when it inevitably blends its last smoothie? Is it going to be fixable? The OpenFunk Remix Blender is a modular, repairable kitchen blender designed to work with your own glass jars and built from recycled, locally made parts in Berlin to reduce waste and challenge the throwaway culture of conventional appliances. Let's open it up and take a look. The front panel houses 4 Torx screws and the dial knob is held in place by a recessed flathead screw. Once the front plate is lifted back, I can tackle the 2 screws wired to the dial mechanism. Next, I'm going to remove the blender head by giving it a gentle twist. This reveals the motor gear, which I'll come back to in a second. Turning the blender over, I can remove the 4 Torx screws on the back panel, which comes away. Now that both the front and back panels are out, I can remove the slotted side panels and set them aside. I need to get the wiring released, so next up I have to tackle the safety switch mounted on the side. At this point, I can separate the bottom half of the base from the top half with the motor attached. I want to show you something else that's really cool, and for that I need to remove the plastic housing on the base plate. Take a closer look. This part, along with several others, are 3D printed and you can download the STL files directly from OpenFunk's GitHub page. Alright, let's get back to that base plate and remove the ventilation grid so I can route the plug through and free it. I want to remove the motor from the top plate now, and that means removing 4 long Torx screws and removing the motor gear itself. And with that, the motor is free from the body. From here, there are a couple of other minor components that can be dismantled, like the power cable, but the single largest component left is the motor itself, which is replaced as a single unit. Head on over to our channel to see the whole teardown.